trusty Shark. I love this vacuum. I've had this for quite a while now, I'd say 3 years. I like it because it's got a front light. And it's empty at the moment. I totally emptied it. So what I'm going to see if how much dog hair it picks up on this carpet. So I'm just going to do this hallway bit and see how much dog hair will be in this canister when I finish just this little bit of the hallway. This is how much dog hair the Shark has got out the carpet. As you can see, it's got a lot of dog hair out the carpet, and I hoover every day using another vacuum cleaner. I've got two, not a Shark, but I've got another one, and it doesn't seem to be pulling it out as much as this one does. So yeah, the Shark definitely does the job.